be back.
What's going on, family? Welcome to our channel, 2K's Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here in Disney Epcot. And in this video, guys, we're taking you to the preview of the updated Soaring Across America. So we are here for a cast preview. Thank you to Karen. Thanks, Karen.
Thank you, Mom.
Just to check out the changes of Soaring and give you our feedback as usual. So also I want to go to the merchandise shop to check out what they got, what's new out there, or if maybe they have something with Soaring related, who knows, right? We haven't been here in a little while, so why not? Anyway, guys, if you enjoy content like this one, Disney, Universal, any kind of theme park, we highly suggest that you stick around because we have a bunch to show you. We also suggest that you
subscribe
and smash that like button.
If we're sharing any valuable content with you, family, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Hit it. We're back at it here in Epcot. It's been a while. I think the last time was what? The flower.
Art festival.
No, the Flower and Garden Festival was the last time that we came over here.
Came from?
Yeah, I think that's how good it was. That you already forgot about the Flower and Garden
Festival. That's what I remember is the art festival.
So, anyway, we're heading now towards Soaring to probably make a line. I don't know what happened today. The security line was insane. Coming in to scan your tickets was insane. It took us over, like, the whole process honestly took us about 15-20 minutes. I'm not lying.
They didn't plan that correct.
Nah, a lot of cast member families here. And so anyway, it was a little bit hectic, but we're here. We're here. Let's see if we can enjoy this new update and share everything with you guys. If you've never been to Soaring, basically you have to hang towards the right side and then make another right because we're going to the seas and to the land, to that building in there. That is a lot of strollers. Anyway, guys, we're actually walking towards the land now. Again, Soaring happens to be inside the land building, and we're about to share all the details of this adventure, this new update. And I believe it's supposed to open on May 26th for everybody. So once again, this is a cast member preview. Just like I mentioned, the land building right there featuring Soaring going inside the building now. But before we keep showing anything else, Karen, do you know about 68% of people that have been watching our videos have not subscribed yet?
Guys, we appreciate you watching, but just
subscribe. Yeah, and hit like while you're at it. And then if they do it actually from a mobile device,
you can hype it up.
Hype it up. It's on the bottom, and hyping actually helps. YouTube actually goes ahead and kind of pushes our video out to other families out there. So help us out, liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing. It's completely free to do so. Heading inside the land building now. Just a quick view over here. This is where Living on the Land is. Soaring is downstairs, but on the other side. Man, you guys remember when we did this soft opening for this Awesome Planet, Karen? When we did, I think it was a cast preview too.
For what?
This is the Awesome Planet section.
Sure.
Oh God, what's up with you forgetting everything about Epcot? Is Epcot your favorite park?
I think I just forget everything Disney.
Wow. Okay.
Unfortunately.
Boss, she didn't mean to. She didn't mean to, boss. I promise.
I love you.
And there it is. First change that we see. It's right there. The American flag happens to be there. And basically that's Disney taking part of the 250 year celebration of America. And we're in it to win it over here. Shout out to the cast members because they work hard, guys. We owe the magic to them. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh boy, I knew everything was moving too smooth to be real. Oh, look at this, guys. This is new also as well. Soaring Across America. That's nice. Carla's giving me that look. Because look at all that. That's basically the line.
Outside, you're like, oh, it's not gonna be bad.
Yeah, they fool you, they trick you. You know, but to be fair, this reminds me of like the cast preview for Guardian of the Galaxy. It was the same thing, where it looked so smooth, and then inside was packed.
At least we're inside.
Yeah, exactly. It covers us from the elements, so good Lord. It'll be interesting. Karen, go ahead and can you start timing it?
I did.
Okay. Well, oh my God, this continues to go back there. Hey, it's all good. We got another cool experience, you know, another adventure as a family.
Before you leave.
Yeah.
You gotta cherish each time, Kyla, because you're about to leave.
I'm cherishing something.
Wow, Kyla, you don't want to just mark my words when we
When are we stopping?
when we do this without you because you're in college, you're gonna be wishing that you will be here with us.
You're gonna appreciate today more than you're gonna
I wish I was all the way over there with you.
Okay. Yeah, but you know what? In all seriousness, Kyla's right. What the heck? How far is this line going?
Guys, I'm super grateful for this opportunity. I'm just saying, like, where's the end of the line? When are we stopping?
Look,
It's like that forever. Then
honestly, I didn't even know that this section existed. Now this is kind of cool. There are different posters soaring over California, soaring over the world, soaring over California. That's kind of cool to see. I ain't gonna lie, that's kind of cool though. All right, time to go to the next section. I think Karen said we already been waiting. How long, Karen? 28 minutes?
30 minutes by now.
30 minutes by now? So
29.
29. Yeah. So,
Sorry.
yeah, there you go. So, you know, normal wait.
Soaring Across America. My name is Patrick, Captain Patrick. I'd like to welcome you to this special semi-quincentennial flight. We'll begin boarding in a few minutes, but first, there's a handsome young devil who'd like to acquaint you with some important safety information.
So if you or your little aviators have a fear of flying or of heights, you might want to wait for your party at the arrival gate. Okay, let's review. That is seatbelt, carrying on safety strap, fear of heights, keep your hands and arms inside at all times. Yeah, have a nice flight.
Forgot saying to you guys that it took us 44 minutes for the pre-show, right?
Yeah.
I don't
About
know.
47 minutes to get onto the ride, I think.
Yeah, so now we're here waiting for the show to start.
I'm scared.
Nah, we could touch the floor. Karen, touch the floor. Touch the floor. We are out. Kyla, what do you thought?
I thought it was really cute, and I really enjoyed it. And I don't remember the last time I did it in this park, but I really enjoyed it. I thought it was very cute.
Yeah, what's crazy is that you normally do soaring in DCA, but not over here.
Yeah, I do it a lot in California. I barely do it here, but it was cute. I enjoyed it.
And your mom said the whole experience pretty much, it took us about 1 hour.
Took us about an hour, but I checked her clock before we even entered to sit, and it was 15 minutes.
50 minutes?
Yeah, so it wasn't even that bad. Guys, I know I'm so dramatic, but I really enjoyed it.
It was nice. It was nice.
Cute. I enjoyed it.
It was a good reminder of everything that America has to offer. And to be honest with you, I was telling Kyla, now I want to travel up, across the country for sure.
I always want to travel, but that made me want to travel even more.
Yeah, so it was nice. I hope you guys enjoy. Now we're gonna basically go to the Creation store to check the new merch. Somebody's happy now, see? First thing first, if you are an annual pass holder, don't forget you could pick up your magnet here. Not sure about the date, but also they released for the month of this month our own exclusive merchandise. So you have your shirt, you have a baseball cap, and Karen is already hating on us because we have our own annual pass holder, and she said I didn't put any effort in it.
But I like the style they have though.
You're hating because where's your cast member
Yeah, okay.
merch?
Sure.
Okay. So how much is that though?
The hat?
This is $34.99.
$36.99.
And
$54.99.
$54.99 for
I
the
like this one though.
Persico bottle. Oh, and there's also a jacket. Look at this. I didn't know that. A zipper jacket for $79.99.
I like the jacket.
Ooh, all right. Now,
The jacket's pretty.
you guys know it. I don't know that this is new though, but
For $26.99,
you have your own Soaring
you
shirt.
can get a blue shirt.
The color is nice. That's a nice blue color. Anything on the back?
This is cute.
Yeah, that's the old one. Travel the
They
world.
should have made this.
So I'm assuming that will come soon with Across America. And if you're a fan of Epcot, make sure that you come and check out this section, the graphic shirt, because they do have a whole bunch of Epcot. Even better, the Journey into Imagination on Epcot Center. This one is the one that I love the most.
I love it. Forever.
Epcot Forever.
Epcot Forever.
And Epcot Center with Hickman.
This is the old one.
So I'm digging the OG design.
They're nice and soft too.
I do love that one. I like the color on that. So make sure you check it out. $32.99. I'm also digging this one, Epcot Center, Walt Disney World, 1982. Love that one. Also, look at this one, the Dream Finder. Want to show you guys in the Create Your Own Headband station. Now they do sell hats. So if you're like Karen, who rather wear a baseball cap, now all you have to do
Oh my goodness.
is to buy, whichever character you're gonna use and put it across like she's trying to do now.
You know what? It took Disney way too long to come up with this.
I know, right? And bam, you get your own character on a
Oh, that's
cap.
so cute.
And
Oh my
if
God,
I'm
I
not
like-
mistaken, it's $16.99.
I like this guy.
Totally forgot that Disney announced that they're gonna bring their own merchandise for the 250-year celebration. So, for example, you have this long sleeve shirt, this crew neck for $59.99. Nothing on the back. They do have headbands
For $36.99.
They also had this one, this color, for $49.99, and you could get a T-shirt. Assuming it's normally it's $34.99 if I'm not mistaken. So that's a cool shirt though. For $34.99, they do have like the towel, and they have a hat over here,
For $32.99.
and the oversized bag.
For $3.99.
But this is how the baseball cap looks, by the way.
Jeans.
They also have their own jersey Obviously, this is the kid side. This is $59.99, but I seen the advertisement for the adults as well. So the baseball jersey, that's pretty cool though. All right, guys. So Karen, I didn't get your feedback about the ride. What do you think?
I loved it.
You loved it?
I did. I sure did. I enjoyed it.
Khalil?
I'm not afraid of heights, so it was a little scary at the beginning, but then obviously.
It was really good. I liked the descent portion, even though Kyle didn't like it. But I really liked the ride.
But what portion?
Descent.
Ah, no, I didn't like it.
Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for us today. We basically took you flying across the world today, show you some merchandise, share our adventure. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Anyways, we catch you in the next one, and we're out.
Bye.